In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract text and numbers from a dataset using formulas in Excel. So I have a dataset in column A, and as you can see, this dataset consists of names and also numbers. So in other words, it has text and it also has a series of numbers. What I want to do is I want to create a view similar to this view. So I want the numbers from this list in column A to all be listed in one column, and I want the text or names to all be listed in another column. Now I've done this using formulas, so I'm going to remove this formula right now and show you how to do this from scratch. Okay, so let's start with extracting the numbers first. So the formula for doing so is currently displayed on the right hand side of the screen over here. Now I'm going to apply it to column C. So here's how it goes. We start with typing equal sign, filter, open parentheses, then we enter the range. In this case, it's the A2 to A20 range. So this is the range we want to filter. Then we put in our condition. For the condition, I'll put the ISNUMBER command as so. And then I'll enter the range again. One parentheses and another parentheses, and we're all done. And then I'll click on enter. And as you can see, this formula successfully extracted all the numbers from the range in column A. So here's how this formula works. First, we have a range in our filter formula, and then the second argument is where the condition is if the range only contains numbers. So whenever we have a number in this particular range, all those values will be returned in this column over here. And as you can see here, it's been done successfully. Now let's move on to extracting the text. And the formula for extracting text is somewhat similar. The formula is currently displayed on the right hand side of the screen over here. So I'm going to apply the formula to the range in column D as so. So it's very similar. I'll start with filter, open parentheses, then I'll enter the range, comma. This time, instead of ISNUMBER, I have to put ISTEXT. So ISTEXT, open parentheses, and then I'll put the range again, close parentheses and enter. And notice that you don't even have to drag this down. Seeing that this is a filter formula, it gets dragged down automatically up to the point that it has to. So all the text from our range in column A has been extracted, and you can see it in column D, where I entered this filter formula, and all the numbers have been extracted in column C. And this is how you can easily extract text and numbers using a simple filter formula. And this is how it's done. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on my next videos.